Hey guys, what's up? Sunday, quick update. I'm going out to grind a stump. Had a difficult customer, so she called me last night and I told her I would come look at the tree today. And this morning, just before I was getting ready to go look at the tree, she texted me and let me know that someone else was already coming out to take the tree down. So that was a bit frustrating. Now the tree's down, and she said, well, hey, do you know anybody that would grind the stump out? So I guess I'm headed over there to grind the stump out now. But I guess some money is better than no money, but it's a little frustrating that she couldn't even wait for me to come over after contacting me to get her a bid. Anyway, let's go get this stump out. All right, guys, made it back to the shop. Didn't take a whole lot of effort to grind that stump out. It's quite a bit bigger than what it seemed like it was in the picture, but no big deal. We got it done. Now she wants us to haul off all the grindings and bring in fill dirt. Obviously, I told her I couldn't do that today. It's Sunday. The place that we get fill dirt from isn't open today, so I said we'll have to come back and get that done. She understood. But she was kind of in a toot about getting the tree down and getting the stump out like it should have been done yesterday. And my answer for that is, if it should have been done yesterday, you should have called a month ago. I mean, you can't call and expect somebody to come jump and take your tree down and take the stump out immediately as soon as you call. That's a little bit silly, but to put some perspective on it, it was a well-to-do client. She's just come back. She's been gone all winter, and she just came back, and so now she wants some stuff done. But it all worked out. We made some money, so it's a good day.